it and me tired, you know, from morning. From morning, me I come from bush. Me tired, Lord God. I wonder if no hot tea up there.
Whoa! Me want it! Put it in the sun.
Gal, you know she's saying there already. Sure.
Me not feel nothing. You know see in your dog. Catch your fire and can house so you can see me put it in now.
Tap it damn nice and texting thing. Where you want to burn on yours?
So up me window then no sun.
Oh, you give yourself so much damn trouble. Where you want to people in a pan we? Sure.
In your two dog, me not feel nothing.
Oh, yeah, child. I tell me say, you know, in there. Nobody around put me here. Sure.
I wonder when did they saw peep for? J-Post! I wonder if a dopey you see in there. You see dopey in there, J-Post? J-Post a peep from morning. I want to walk one in your soul. Son.
God almighty, gal. Mavis, come, gal. Get up, gal. Go on bed now. Go on bed. God almighty. We galang.
Hey, watch me and you, son.
You see son nearly made me a business on me. The first time me get it fit up, as the plug could have gone in his socket, and me a knock for the door. I be really want to light up the fire with the matches, and doing something smaller than a beard and sausage. Me say, son I put me hand and bread and be telling no, baby, go up with that pulp. Come here, Miss Dog, go 5 minutes late. Me and Miss Dog fight was a son, you don't let me in. Son, follow, thief, and lip me down me eye. And try chip in on me bone. Yeah, that's what me say, son, oh, you're so wicked. You don't stand in and around. Miss I go leave you up. Thief. Son, wicked.
No, sir, you're not picking the police. I'm on somebody else. I said they have with. Eh? No, man, no call the police, man. No call the police. And if we call the police, we can't do that. Mavis. Where? Tell gal say if we go on that bed. Girl tell me say boy you know one thing close without you. Me say alright. Go somewhere else. Go hide somewhere. I mean no one Mavis get me. Girl say you not hide. So me say alright then. You not hide. Tape. Hello tape and music. The girl pick up. Music girl pick up put in her hand. You run to the car with the one. Oh, no, say me wicked enough. Because we couldn't make Mary catch me. No, man. We couldn't make Mary catch me, man. Baby catch me. Maybe we could have said go left me. I'm not moving the one, baby left me. So you can apply. You soon can apply. But next time you come, you was saying, you know, so if we hide, you hide. You say, maybe say, I did catch him. We would have most tears like a cat. Climb up. I tell you. What tell you? Mavis. So, no way you don't say. You're the most. We get it right and proper way. I mean, me have a quiet and picking. We used to make picking could have cash. What did you go to Dan Paint, that's a YouTube page, Dan Paint, GONPENT, and then me when you repeat, my Facebook page, that's a Jamaican GrandpA Speaks Out. make sure you don't go like it, the page. And then look subscribe to me live video them come here always live. And me so and me say bye bye. Bye bye, me say.